Hi, this is Fred Bravo with Alpha Bravo Tech. Today we're going to go over a stuck power button on a, this side. This one's not stuck, but we're going to go over this. Stuck power button on a Turtle Beach Stealth 450. The first thing that you're going to need is some Q-tips. You're going to need a high percentage of isopropyl alcohol. I would recommend at least 70%. I have 99.9% here, which I have in this little bottle. But I'm going to clean up the button area with the Q-tip and some isopropyl alcohol. So if your button is stuck inward, maybe it needs to be cleaned. So what I would do first, if I were me, I would disassemble it. If this was for a customer, I would disassemble it and do it the right way. But I would squeeze out the excess a little bit, and I would, let's see here. I would push in as far as I could and get the edges there with that isopropyl alcohol and see if that would help get the button unstuck. Now, if it doesn't, I would go ahead and disassemble this. Whoops. And clean it the right way. Now, it might not be dirty. That might not be the issue. When we get inside of this, we'll go over what the issue could be. So we've got these screws in here. Let's make sure we save all 4 of these. Alright, we want to get to the button behind this board. So let's go ahead and unplug these cables. And we have a screw here. You'll need a little tool set. You can use a little tool set like this, or if excuse me. If you have like a iPhone tool set, you can make that work. I'll just go with that for now. It's got two of those screws. All right, and I think that's it. We just want to get in behind this board from this side, push this way on the volume knobs, and just kind of flip that all the way over like that. Okay? Now, let's go ahead and examine this. I haven't really done this too much, or really at all. I don't want to use my good tool set for this stuff, so I'm going to switch to some of these little generic bits. Yeah, that's a good one. So here, let me get that out. Here's the button. It's got, hold on. see if we can get this on camera to focus. If I was trying to see if that would focus it. Let me zoom it out a little bit. Okay, there we go. So we've got this button here. This is the power button. Now, you can click on it, push on it, and it should pop back out. If it doesn't pop back out, then that's your issue. Cleaning this won't do anything. You'll need to get this board and replace this board if possible. If not, replacing this button would do the trick. So that's that. If that's stuck in, if it doesn't spring back out when you push on it and let go, then your button's your issue. Now, let's see, okay, still zoomed in. Now, cleaning this is the other thing that could possibly be it, or possibly if these arms are broken, that might cause issues too, where it won't pop back out. So anyways, what you would want to do here, now that you've got this out, is go ahead and get some isopropyl alcohol. Now, because the circuit board's behind it, you don't have to worry about wringing anything out because this is all just plastic here. So just leave it soaking in isopropyl alcohol and clean around the button here on all three of those sides. Okay? Then do the same thing here. Clean that as well as you can, as good as you can. And because we're using a high percentage of isopropyl alcohol, it's pretty much instantly dry. So from here, all we would need to do is reassemble this. Let me close up this isopropyl alcohol. These are nice, and they've got this little dropper. Very nice. Anyways, now that we've got that closed up, we would just basically reverse what we just did. You see this there's this little nipple here. See that? And that's where you would want your button to go back into place. So it would go like that with the button. You see how it's off-centered a little bit? So the button would go up towards that nipple. And then just fit that back into place. And then, like I said, just reassemble. And that's pretty much it. If you've got a stuck button, that's going to be your issues and solutions. So, this was Fred Bravo with Alpha Bravo Tech. If you liked the video and it helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I actually did this video to get back into videos. I'm going to be doing more videos again here pretty soon. So be on the lookout for more videos. I've got something really special coming from my buddy Fix It Pro. He's sending me something and I'm going to do a video on it. So stay tuned for that. It has to do with controllers. So game controllers. Anyways, thanks for watching. And you guys have a good one. Thanks. And then remember to, when putting this back in, put these volume knobs, these potentiometers into the holes first. That's going to make sure that they line up properly for you. Almost there, I'm not even lined in there yet. There we go. Just got to kind of push it and snap it. So if you do it like I just showed you, you don't have to desolder anything. So you just kind of got to move it to the side and work with it like that. So, all right, thanks for watching. Bye.